to run. When I know your friend is gone, when I have it, I always think I am dreaming. My body got weak and lazy. Because of that, I hate the day. Let's get to the back cause it hurts me. The only friends are my family. Praying and giving condolence. Will remain in our hearts. I'm sick of mourning, so can I elate and live God?